Oh,
you
yeah.
gotta hit it with the corner finger.
No. I like using this one.
You're pushing it, just keep pushing. Just keep on pushing.
Can I take it out single block?
No, it's supposed to be spin low.
Go. Now be sure and stop at about 3 inches from the part and take the distance to go.
That was up.
What's your distance to go say?
Two
Z.
inches away from it.
250.
259.
Two and a half about?
Yeah.
So we're going to Z1, so we should be about 3.5 inches from the part. Is that about right?
Yeah.
Looks kind of like it, right?
Yeah, I'm over there. I mean, I'm about right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm about right.
Push it.
Push it.
Push.
Let's get it.
Push it.
Yeah, go man.
Now you're 1 inch above the part.
If this crashes, it's going on YouTube. No.
This is why I put that Z1 there. So you can double check. It's easy. You can see that you're 1 inch above the part. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You ready?
Safety plate.
Yeah.
I'm going. I'm finna cut. I'm finna cut some. I'm finna cut some.
Okay, wait. Wait. Let me get it out here. I gotta put the coolant on.
Trying to make a move.
Oh, you didn't cut the coolant on? See, I was asking you that. You didn't answer me.
Oh, I didn't hear you. I'm sorry. All right, now go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh, yeah, you're not gonna be able to see anything with that phone no more.
I know.
I got a good picture.
Oh yeah, his ain't hitting my side. Cut it.
Hit it.
Hit it.
You hit the big one?
Yeah, hit it.
Oh,
So you can go to the next.
I thought it was cutting.
Come on, man.
Yo.
Yeah, go. Very slow. Very slow.
Get in it.
Hit it slow.
Yeah,
How you know you like this, man?
very slow.
There you go. It's got it.
Nah, it ain't cutting yet.
Okay.
It's about to.
Now get rid around. Hit that. If you hear me yell, hit
Huh?
that. If you hear me yell, hit that speed hold button.
Feed hold button? Alright, when I hear you yell, hit the feed hold button.
All right, go ahead. All right, go. Go.
You can't hit it, right?
Go.
The feed hold?
No, cycle.
No, let it go.
Go.
Let it go.
Start the start.
Cycle start.
There's one pass, right?
All right, go ahead.
Yeah, hit it again. One more.
One
One more.
One more.
Yeah.
One more time.
Take it away.
That's my second pass, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know my second pass.
Tell you, man. You're gonna see it when you
Y'all some freaks, man.
Hit it again. Yeah.
Is it coming?
No, it's in the middle.
your butt's the second time. One more time.
One more time. Let's go.
There you go.
Keep going.
cutting?
Yeah, I hear it. You hear that?
You fucked around with the tattoo gun a couple of times. You fucked around with the tattoo gun a couple of times.
Yeah. Actually, that was just needle.
Oh, just
needle.
trying to pick it.
Yeah.
I see that one on the inside of the
That was a
shit hurt.
that one was a gun. That was a gun. Everything else was a gun except for
You
except
ever
for
got
this
one
one.
up your side?
No, my stomach across.
Dude, I got this one up my side right here.
Kept going.
The side right here. Yeah.
Big too.
I got one right here where that.
Oh yeah, no, it goes down past my foot bone too, like right on the top part of my stomach.
Yeah.
I couldn't imagine. It was worse than the front of my stomach.
If I can make rent for you, I got my own business. Making rent.
Making 13-inch ring.
I know what I want to be. I want to be a video camera operator.
I mean, it's on American Choppers too.
I've been there before.
Oh, so Orange County Choppers?
Press cycle start.
Yeah, they're having like the dad and the brother. The dad's showing the son. Yeah. Pretty awesome. I think yeah, no, I agree. I think that the dad really did want the part of business because he got all that money, they got all big and stuff, and you know how money gets a hold of you. Why?
Wait.
Wait, you don't know nobody to do something. We're working on it, man.
There it is. Out.